What's up, everybody? This is KC from Shine to KC on vacay mode. You know what I'm saying? Hey, y'all probably wondering, like, why you all dressed up? Why you got a tie on? And stuff like that. Hey, we talking about cruises here. You know, many people have been asking a lot of questions about how should I dress for, you know what I'm saying, main dining. You know what I'm saying? Should I dress in slacks? Should I dress, you know, should I bring a jacket or not? Should I wear a tie? Okay, guys, I'm talking to my men here, because the ladies, your wives, your significant others, your girlfriend, they're asking these questions. Well, you know what I'm saying, what should my guy wear to main dining? All right, so this is what we're gonna be talking about, is main dining and a dress attire, like that. So, you know, hey, this is once in a lifetime that you can always be dressed up, you know what I'm saying, to look nice for a main dining and stuff like that. So normally what I do is, you know what I'm saying, I wear a suit coat, you know, tie, you know what I'm saying, a button-up shirt. It depends on what the day is. Like Captain's Night, a lot of times everybody wears black, you know what I'm saying, with a white, you know what I'm saying, button-up shirt and a tie. You know, a lot of y'all say, like, man, I don't feel like doing all that and stuff like that. Hey guys, it's time to go all out for your wives. You want to go all out, you know what I'm saying, for your spouse, you know, to get dressed up. You know what I'm saying? You guys are on a cruise, having a good time. Why not dress up? Why not look nice for your spouse, your wife? You know what I'm saying? Why, you know, just do something different this time. You got to remember, the rest of the cruise, you can dress however you like. At dinner time, you know, dress, hey, you know what I'm saying? They're going to be serving you hand and foot. You know what I'm saying? Guys, come on, look, you know what I'm saying, handsome, like a gentleman, you know what I'm saying, with your wife, or with your spouse, or whoever your group is with. Dress up, you know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna let you know, they're not gonna let you in there with no, you know what I'm saying, shorts on, so don't go in there with no shorts on. T-shirts, bro, no. You know what I'm saying, no T-shirts in there. I mean, you could get in there with a polo shirt or whatever like that, but, you know, hey, you know, just think about that. You're like, come on, it's like going to an upscale restaurant and you want to dress in some sandals, shorts, and a t-shirt. You know what I'm saying? Like you going surfing or something like that. You know, this is a nice dining setting. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, using your fingers to eat food. You gonna use a knife, fork, spoon. You gonna be sipping on some, you know, soup. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you gonna be cutting into your steak. You know what I'm saying, a lobster or whatever like that. Dress nice, dress the part. I mean, believe me, dressing up, guys, goes a long way with your spouse. You know what I'm saying? It goes a long way with your wife, especially as your anniversary. It's like all the stuff you might have been doing around the house. You know what I'm saying? Okay, this is her special day too. So look nice. You know what I'm saying? She's gonna be dressing all beautiful in her gown. You know what I'm saying? You can at least get a tie. A tie, at least tie. I mean, you ain't gotta get a jacket. Just get a tie, white, you know what I'm saying, dress shirt, dark, you know what I'm saying, button-up shirt, you know, and a tie. Don't get no printed on t-shirt with a dress shirt on it. I ain't what I'm talking about. I see some people trying to slide in with that. Nah, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? This time it's not a joke. You know, we go out, have a good time on a cruise. You're on a cruise ship. You paid all this money to, you know what I'm saying, for them to serve you hand and foot, you know what I'm saying, like that. Dress the part, why not? Look nice. You know what I'm saying? Look like the man you are. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no kids here. You know what I'm saying? So dress up like a man. Dress up like an adult. You know what I'm saying? I'm just keeping it real with you because, you know what I'm saying, I've seen some stuff, you know, and people have been turned away because they do have a dress code, you know, at the dining room, main dining. If you want to do that, then go upstairs to the buffet then if you don't want to dress up. But I'm saying for at least 2 or 3 times out of, say for instance, you got a 7-day cruise. Okay, on a 7-day cruise, you know what I'm saying, they're going to have Captain's Night. Dress up for Captain's Night. You know what I'm saying? There's no ifs, ands, or buts. Ain't no getting around it. You know what I'm saying? Dress up. You know what I'm saying? Look nice. You know what I'm saying? Then they're going to have White Night, Electric Night, or Carnival. You know what I'm saying? Like you can dress in white, you know what I'm saying? Casual, linen, some kind of linen. Not, you know, you can wear a white t-shirt and stuff like that, but not to dinner. Like, you know what I'm saying? I mean, if you gotta wear, if you're subject to wearing a polo, at least it's a polo. you know what I'm saying, you know, with some slacks. You know what I'm saying? Yes, wear dress shoes and no tennis shoes to the dinner table. You know, like I said, if y'all want to, you know what I'm saying, dress, you know, really laid back, go up to the buffet upstairs. Go to the Lido deck. You know, people don't care up there. But in the dining room, dress up. Look nice. You know what I'm saying? Look nice for your significant other. You know what I'm saying? Because, hey, mind you, Valentine's coming around the corner. You know what I'm saying? What, New Year's is coming around the corner. You know what I'm saying? Dress up. You might be on these ships looking nice. You got to be looking nice. So just look, you can buy one shirt. We ain't saying you got to buy a whole bunch of them. Just buy one white button-up shirt and probably like 3 or 4 ties. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, learn how to stretch it out. You know, stretch the shirt out. I say 2, just in case if you waste something on your shirt or something like that. You know, but you know, you ain't gonna be bougie. You know, they ain't taking away your manhood dressing up. You know what I'm saying? Nah, dressing up actually elevates your manhood to a gentleman. You know what I'm saying? Think about that, guys. You know what I'm saying? You know, your wife, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, your girlfriend. Oh, man, that's so much brownie points. Man, you know, come on. Do something different. Dress the part. You know what I'm saying? Do something, you know what I'm saying? Do something that you ain't never did before. If you ain't never dressed up to look nice, dress up. You know what I'm saying? Especially for those that's engaged. Oh, you gonna get dressed for getting married. So, you know what I'm saying, like that. So, hey, might as well start now. Dress up nice for dinner at the main dining. You know what I'm saying? We ain't talking about all day long. I'm saying just to go eat, you know what I'm saying, like that. You ain't even gotta wear a tie. Look, for that, look, let's make it, let's do it easy. Look, take off the tie. Look, take off the tie. Take off the tie. Okay. Loosen up the neck. You know what I'm saying? Loosen it up. Let me show you. Loosen it up. Okay. You still looking nice. You know what I'm saying? At least, you know what I'm saying, you got at least a button-up shirt on, you know what I'm saying, and slacks, and tennis shoes. You don't have to wear a tie, but you still look casual. You know what I'm saying? That's the whole point. You know what I'm saying? You still look casual. So you can go short sleeve, you go long sleeve. You know what I'm saying? If you're a hot person, go short sleeve. But mind you, you don't have to have this on all night long. You know, this is just for dinner time. Change it when you get back to the room, get back into your comfortable clothes. If you want to get back into your white tee, get back into your white tee. But for dinner time, dress up for your wife. Dress up for your girlfriend. Dress up for your significant other. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Hey, get out of that couch potato look and start dressing up, you know what I'm saying, for main dining on the cruise ship. You know what I'm saying? Look nice. You know what I'm saying? Get out of that ghetto mentality, that hood mentality, that, you know what I'm saying? That's what look, dress up. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Don't be listening to stereotypes. Look nice, look presentable. You know what I'm saying? It's only a short period of time. You know what I'm saying? It ain't gonna hurt to do it. So, guys, ladies, I just wanted to help you guys out. You know what I'm saying? For those that are asking about what to wear, you can wear slacks, you can wear Dickies, you can wear stuff like that, but jeans, no. You know what I'm saying? No jeans at the dinner table, you know what I'm saying, like that. Just wear some Dockers, something of that, you know, style. A button-up shirt, even it can be a polo shirt, stuff like that, but preferably a button-up shirt, guys. Do a button-up shirt. You know what I'm saying? Even if you got 2 of them, just 2 button-up shirts, maybe a polo, maybe use the same one. Wear a tie one day, wear a tie not one day. Stretch it out, you know what I'm saying? Especially on a 7-day cruise. Smaller cruises, okay, you know what I'm saying? You can get away with a couple of them, but you know what I'm saying? Just remember that, guys. So this is Casey from Shine Casey on vacay mode. Guys, dress up for main dining. See you on vacay mode.